One question that I think any person who's been hurt in a car accident, when they speak with any lawyer, is what does the attorney do when the insurance company wrongfully denies my claim or gives a lowball offer? What do they do? Do they file a lawsuit, and do they actually try cases? I'm of the firm opinion that having the ability and actually trying cases is the only way to have exposure of an insurance company and to say no to a unreasonable lowball offer. Our firm has been trying jury trial cases every year for over a decade, and through our hard work and the work of local community physicians and chiropractic physicians and other healthcare professionals, we have been able to receive monies in 17 straight district court jury trial cases, and those cases range from 5-day trials to 12-day trials. We cannot guarantee a result, but we believe that jurors want to help, and we believe that jurors are smart. I don't like bullies, and we like helping people, and so when we're forced and backed into a corner for a lowball offer, we specialize in litigation and actually trying jury trials. We like to keep our caseload manageable. Typically we have roughly 15 cases at a time, and the reason being is that we need the human resources and the time so that if the insurance company doesn't give a fair and reasonable offer during litigation, that we have the time necessary to try the case and make it streamlined, straightforward, and helpful for the jury, since during a jury trial, juries cannot talk, and so we have to put together a very cohesive picture and to explain straightforward what our client has been left with, the consequences, and how the juries can help a member of their community. We don't want to try cases. I want to be very clear that it's not our goal to try your case. Essentially, trying a case is a last resort option. It's when the insurance company will not give a fair offer and you have to try a case to do right by your client to make them whole. 3 points I want to leave you with is, number one is that the insurance company's lowball offer, if you're a juror, is never known to the jurors. So the reason why we are in court and being forced into court because of their lowball offer, you'll never know that information. You're legally not allowed to know. Second, you're not in every case that I've seen, insurance is in every auto trial. However, jurors are not told that what insurance company is making all the decisions, that the insurance company is paying for the defense lawyers, will pay for the verdict, and really is in total control. And so the jurors are in the dark that it's not the per individual that will pay the verdict. It's actually the billion-dollar insurance company that the jurors are not told about in Colorado. And finally, I have a website called Truth in Trials, and what that is to educate our community about the laws and how you're not legally allowed to know that insurance company is behind the scenes and really is the responsible party that forced us into the courtroom in the first place.